All right. So she's not present, but we will celebrate her tonight. From Middle Sabi, we've got ZNCC Chigumira. Tinoti Makorokoto Amshope, congratulations. Let's put our hands together for her. And also in this set, Young Entrepreneur of the Year, the female segment, we've got Tino Tenda Maruni. Makorokoto Amshope, congratulations. From KMP Enterprises. We celebrate you tonight. Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2023, the female segment. We've got Chipo Nunjoma. Let's put our hands together for her. So amazingly, she's doing all this in real estate. Doing amazing stuff. AKMP Jakara Iriko real estate Koko. Makorokoto Amshope, congratulations. One entry, one winner. It is the Best SME Innovation of the Year award. And it goes to none other than Beauty Hughes. Let's put our hands together. Makorokoto.